Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on alterations and tailoring and find it useful.
No appointments, no hassle. Just walk into any of our boutiques, and our expert tailors will handle all your alteration needs. Whether it's a quick hem or a more detailed adjustment, we're ready to make sure your clothes fit perfectly whenever you need it. With an average of over 20 years of experience, our seamstresses and tailors have honed their craft on some of the world's most beautiful garments, ensuring that your clothes not only look great, but fit even better. Your time is valuable, so we've made it easy to get the perfect fit without the wait. The process. Sudsies Alterations and Tailoring Process, incorporating the expertise and unique advantages of the Sudsies team. Sudsies Alterations and Tailoring Process. 1. Walk-ins. Welcomed. No appointments are necessary at Sudsies, and walk-ins are always welcomed, offering you the flexibility to get your garments tailored whenever it suits your schedule.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.